Morning check-in on the hive. It's about 9 o'clock in the morning. It's an overcast day. It might rain later. Bees drinking the 50-50, 50% water, 50% sugar. Put the rocks in there to make sure if they fall in, they can get out. If they get sticky, the other worker bees will help clean them off. They'll be back to working in no time. See some of them coming back with their rear legs, different colors like that. All that yellow, orange, and sometimes red that's on their back leg, like that one right there. That's the pollen that they're collecting and bringing back. See if I can get a little closer. Remember, every time you have honey, real honey, it took these little critters their entire life, devotion to their hive, their queen, just to make that honey. So before you swat them and try to kill them, remember, they are doing nature a blessing by making honey.